Introducing Unicorn Doodle Hamper, budget combo with lot of products, starting with our new edition fast food eraser set. Includes fries, hot dog, sandwich and one burger. Then we have this cute hairband, one soap tube, one pocket purse diary. This 3-segment diary, unicorn theme. Please note that random colors will be there throughout the combo. Bag will remain same. Pack of 10 hair clips, unicorn theme, along with matching rubber band. Pack of 2, one blue gel pen, one lead pencil and one more pen. Metal pencil box, unicorn theme with stationery inside. This 2 division, let me open. One A5 size folder, you can keep anything inside. Good quality matching bag with matching bag. Approximately 17 inches bag, waterproof with 1, 2 and 3 zips, one front zip, pocket to keep water bottle, and this is the water bottle, insulated water bottle with snap lock and no leakage. So all these products will be there in this beautiful combo. Thank you.